Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video for Something Else Sunday, I have another Kawaii box. Now this Kawaii box, I spent my own money on it. It cost me £10, I do believe, to get it fully shipped to my door. I did have a little coupon code which I used, which got me $5 off. So yeah, all in all with the exchange rate and everything, it just cost me about £10.70p or something. But that was including shipping to my door, which I just find absolutely insane. And you know how much I love the Kawaii box, so I was all for it. So this is the June one. It's obviously the, is it the second or the third? It's the third today. So yeah, let's just get on opening this. Also, I have like some paper here. I'll move it. There we go, all nice and clear. So I've got my scissors here again, like usual. And I'm just going to cut this open. My hair is flying everywhere. Okay, we're in. This is what it looks like. You can have the first peek as usual. Can you see anything? Not really. Okay, so we've got the little leaflet. It's just Kawaii Box. It says Kawaii Summer on the bottom. And then inside it's got everything that's included, all a little bit of information about it. I'm not going to read it because I like to just dive right in. As always, we've got cute little tissue paper, and then underneath that we have the stuff. I find this bit so exciting, like when you first see all these faces. So cute. Okay, let's go. So first up I'm going to grab this. And whatever this is, it looks like a headband, so that's always a good place to start. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It's got these little ears on. I think it's a headband, or is it an eye mask? I'll look on the little sheet. Here, soft headband. Use while, what? Stay cute like a cat and keep your hair organised while applying makeup or washing your face. This is definitely something that I use. I actually have a Soap and Glory one of these. It's just plain pink. Let me try it on. Wow. That is not a cute look, is it? I've also got like a stupidly small head, by the way. So, you know. A stupidly small head with stupidly amount of hair. That is not a cute look for me. I'm going to take this off. This is super, super cute. Definitely come in super handy. And I've already got it covered in makeup. That's disgusting. But typical me. That's what happens when you wear so much makeup that I do. I just really like makeup. Don't judge me. Okay, so next up we have this. This is the cutest thing. Obviously a little hamster. Look at that with its little sunflower seed. I presume this is just like a keychain or a bag charm. I absolutely love this. It's a little bit too big for me because I actually use mini backpacks like on a day-to-day basis, and I can barely fit my phone and my wallet and my diabetes stuff in there. So this is going to be too big for my keys, but I might put it on a travel bag or something because this is cute. Imagine when you're going on holiday and you got this little thing on you. You'd be able to spot your bag a mile off. Super cute. Next we have a squishy. Everybody knows when I get a squishy, it's all good for me. It's another sushi one. I don't have one like this. Let's open it. Comes with this super cute pink packaging with all these little sushis on. I wonder if like people get different designs and stuff. Let's just open this up. Oh no. Like if you look here, the clip's coming through the bag, but it's also ripped like the little loop bit kind of off it. Yeah, it's kind of like, instead of like that being downwards, it's kind of pulled it up. But this is so cute. Like it looks like it's got a little salmon hat on. How adorable is that? Let me just block out my face and hopefully it will focus on it. But here we are, super soft. Nice and slow rising, just what we like to see, and with a cute face on, so you can't get any better than that. Definitely going in my collection. I'm really enjoying getting sushi ones recently, so I might start a sushi squishy collection. Yeah. Okay, next we have some interesting stuff. I'm just looking at it here. I presume this is a little snack, so we'll go with that. Just looks like this here. I cannot read Japanese, so I'm out. Let me have a look at this. It says, grape gummies, Pretty Cure or Pre-Cure is a super popular Japanese anime series, and these are yummy gummies shaped like its characters. So let's open it up. They are super cute, look. Look at this. They're super well detailed as well. So I'm going to open these and I'm just going to eat them because I can. Oh my gosh. They are so strong smelling. Tell you what, the other day I had some grape crush Twizzlers, something like that from America, and they were incredible. I love grape flavored stuff. This is really hard to get out. Can you see this? I'm actually pulling with all my might. There's one thing to know about me, by the way. I love grape flavour stuff. Well, I'll save one. Okay. Next we have this little Moomin thing. I absolutely love Moomins. I don't know what it is about them, they're just so cute. And these are just either, they're either sticky or not, I can't quite tell. I don't really want to open the packet just yet. Stop it. I'll open the packet. I always just get packaging everywhere after these unboxings and I try and refrain from it. Okay, they're not sticky, they're just little individual notebooks in them, but look how adorable these are. Can you see? These are all just like individual notebooks. These are adorable. I love them so much. It'll come in super, super handy for DIY ideas. I'm forever jotting them down and then forgetting where I put my notebooks, or like writing notes on my phone and then deleting them and just doing all sorts of stuff like that when it comes to ideas. So next up, this is another cute pen. We had a pen in the last Kawaii box and this one's sweet. It's got a little donut on. I love things, donuts, and it's like a straw. Literally looks like a straw. Oh, the straw bit's just the lid. I wonder what colour this is. I always think it's going to be a fun colour and then it's not. It's black, but oh my goodness. That writes so well. It's kind of like a gel pen instead of like a biro. I thought it was going to be a biro, but it's like a gel pen. Does everyone call them gel pens abroad? But anyway, here's a little donut on it. It's probably not going to focus because my camera just likes to focus on my face. But this is super, super cute. I absolutely love that. I'm definitely going to be using that. Okay, so next we have another little snack, and these are like the little marshmallows that I had in my Japan candy box. I absolutely love the Japan candy box, by the way. I might get another one of those soon, see what I can do about that. But yeah, these seem to have filling, so let's just give them a go. They have filling. It's strawberry filling. It says for sale in Japan only. I'm in the UK, does that matter? But these are super scrumptious. These are like the grape filled ones that I get from the Asian food market near me. Delish. So next we have this. What is this? It's like a bento box rice mold thingy that comes out like a panda. What? I don't know why we don't do this sort of stuff in the UK, like make all our food like really cute. It's literally a little cute panda mold. Look at that. Pop it in, pop your rice in, pop the back of it in or something, and oh my goodness. I tell you what, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. I'm gonna make something out of this mold because that is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I mean, I could do bento boxes with it. but where's the fun in that? I have no idea how these work. Oh my, look, there's a little cutting mat that's like a bit of silicone with some cutters on, probably for like, I don't know, seaweed. Seaweed's usually on sushi and stuff, isn't it? Cut them out, stamp them on. That is, I'm well impressed with that. I don't own anything like that. I'm definitely going to use it for crafts. Okay, next up, it looks like there's only 2 things left, which is super sad. But first up, we have this little rabbit. Now, I'm not sure what this is, so I'm going to have to go back over to the leaflet. It says, protect your table from those ugly water rings with this silicone bunny coaster. It's a coaster. Now, if there's one thing that I actually have a lot of, it's coasters. I seem to buy coasters no matter where I go. I always find cute ones, and I always buy them stuck. This is cute. It kind of feels like that little cutter mat. Like, these are like 2 of the exact same, but this is sweet. Am I going to put this on my desk? Yes, I am. Do I love it? Yes, I do. And last but not least, we have some Sumikko Gurashi stickers. Let's see what it says about this. It says... Oh, it just says they're stickers, basically. Just explains what Sumikko Gurashi is. But these are adorable. Look, they've got this little guy on a crane. It's my favourite game. The Claw. You know, in Toy Story when it goes, the Claw. Well, I love the Claw. My favourite game when I go to the arcade. And it's got Sumikko Gurashi tapioca all over. Just look. So cute. I love the tapioca so much. I've made keyrings and stuff of them in the past. I do really want to make a plushie to go with the Ebby fry that I made. Absolutely love it. I'm actually going to just stick one of these on my phone right now. Literally right this second. Clear backgrounds. That's another great thing, by the way, when it comes to stickers. If you get a clear background. I'm going to take this claw one off. Oh, that peeled so nice. I'm just going to stick it on the back here. I have got a floral phone case, but, you know, it's just going to make it even cuter. Oh my goodness, there it is. Can you see that? So cute. I'm going to keep that on there forever. And that's the last of my Japanese Kawaii box. That's super sad. This one here, by far the best one I've ever had. There's not a single thing in there that I didn't like. Everything's going to come in super handy. Got the headband for when I take my makeup off later because, you know, face full of it. I mean, we've got sweets, we've got cute things to hang your bag, we've got squishies, we've got a pen, we've got a mold thingy for bento boxes that's going to be used for crafts. We've got Sumikko Gurashi stickers, my favourite, what do you call that, by the way? A bit of wrapper. Like, cartoon? I don't know, but Sumikko Gurashi is my favourite, whatever that is, of all time. Like, I like it more than Hello Kitty, I like it more than, I don't know, other cute programs and, like, characters and animes and stuff like that. Sumikko Gurashi is the one for me. So we have some of that. We have a cute coaster. We have more snacks. We have, like, little notebooks to write things in. And there's, honestly, for £10, including shipping, I don't think you can get any better. Anyway, what I will do is I will leave all the links and stuff to Kawaii Box in the description because you should so totally check them out because they are amazing. The customer service is great. I've spoken to a few people over there now, obviously because I did a giveaway with them last month. The winner to that, by the way, was contacted and, like, I got the address from her and everything. She's so super excited to have won. I'm just in awe of this. Like, I love Kawaii Box so much, and yeah, honestly, I love them. And I love this box. This is the best box ever. So yeah, if you do want to check them out, I'll leave all the links and stuff in the description below. Hopefully you liked this video and me just sat on the floor in the corner of my room. And yeah, I don't have anything else more to say. So I hope you've all had a lovely weekend. And I will see you tomorrow for another DIY. Bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Bye!